Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas, natural gas futures, as we're heading into the weekend. Yeah, not much action on the Natgas chart this week, just consolidation basically here. So let me take you through our wave count just briefly because really nothing changed. Then we zoom into the microstructure, take a look at if we can identify any key breakout points or latest trend direction. The overall idea is still that we should see lower prices, especially as long as we're moving in this descending price channel. Only a break above the price channel would make me think something different might be going on. We're dealing with a structure in which wave 4 topped here around the 31st of October. Wave 5 still in the making. Could take us down possibly into the low $1 region eventually if this is really being followed through. The idea is that in this wave 5 we have a 5-wave move. And the first wave down bottomed at around $2.25 on the 12th of December. Then we had a wave 2 corrective rally, topped here sort of around early January. Third wave down is still unfolding. That's the preferred scenario. Then a wave 4 to the upside should still unfold, and wave 5 down as well. We're now basically in the third wave down. That's the idea, but in the late stages of that third wave to the downside. We're dealing most likely with an ending diagonal here to the downside in wave 5. So the subwaves are ABC structures. Therefore, I've labeled the third wave as an A, B, C structure as well. And the C wave is a 5-wave move. And we topped recently in a 4th wave, and we're now in the 5th wave. Now let's zoom in. This is the preferred scenario. So, and in the preferred scenario, we topped in wave 4 of 3 recently. We're now likely moving down in wave 5. But I don't see any clear impulsive move to the downside. But it's also not really bullish. Yeah. So if we get a break below $1.61, which is one of the relevant support levels, that would further confirm, in my opinion, that wave 5 is unfolding. But it would need to break below the previous swing lows as well. So we have micro support at $1.58. And then further structural support around $1.52. Once they are broken, we should get into this sort of target area down there for wave 5. Different levels to watch there, between $1.45 and $1.29. Especially $1.43 is another level, and $1.33. And then wave 5 of 3 could finish there. And the price could start a wave 4 corrective rally before wave 5 to the downside is happening. This would be the white count. In the yellow count, this larger degree third wave bottomed already, middle of February, and we're already in the larger degree fourth wave. That's possible, and especially as long as we're holding the $1.61 level, it is something that needs to be considered. It's just not very clear at this stage. So I need to see initially a break below $1.61 to further confirm that this white wave count will send us down lower more directly. On the flip side, I think a break above the most recent highs here at around $1.77 would start to suggest that actually we are already in the wave 4 and in this yellow, more direct A, B, C structure. But then, I don't even have a clear setup for the start of that wave C at the moment. And we're already quite deep in support. So it's not what I prefer at the moment. It could still happen, but it doesn't show at this stage. So we have to remain patient at the moment. I don't see a very, very reliable or clear trade setup here on this chart. It's at the moment just moving in corrective structures. So I think at the moment it's just about tracking the waves and just basically waiting for a clear Elliott wave trade setup. I mean, it is now in support, okay? So support area is fairly clear. However, if this really is a B-wave pullback in yellow, then B-waves can, and we know that, B-waves can overshoot to the downside. We might just get a wick below support and it runs, Again, there's no, what you would call an Elliott wave, a high-quality setup like a 1-2 setup or something. Nothing that's particularly clear on the micro level. Still, though, the downside pressure remains high at the moment. And I'm still watching for lower prices. I still think we are very close to a long-term low, but it probably hasn't been established yet. And if it has, it's not very clear in the charts at this stage. I'll keep you updated. If anything changes, I'll let you know. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, then please check out the Stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.